All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will teach you about targeting and ad budgets. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Let's pick up from where we left off last time and continue making our ad. Placement. LinkedIn Audience Network. The LinkedIn Audience Network are places outside the website where your ad can appear. Third-party partners of LinkedIn. I would recommend leaving this checked. As I said before, the more people who see your ad, the better. Budget and schedule. Budget. A daily budget is how much are you willing to spend daily, while a total budget is how much they want to spend overall. This is totally up to personal preference, as I am not aware of your financial constraints for advertising. Schedule. It is recommended to choose the first option, run campaign continuously from start date. The second option is mostly used for promotions with a start and end date, like a 3-day sale for example. Bid type. The recommended setting is automatic bid and let LinkedIn handle it. Conversion tracking. This is when you want to know how many conversions this ad got, how many people bought from your online store, how many people signed up for your newsletter, and so on. Then click on Next to go to the next page. Then click Save again. Now that we're done creating a campaign, it's time to add ads to this campaign. So click on Create New Ad. This is where you upload the image of your ad. So click on Upload Image and choose your ad. Type in an eye-catching headline, one that will make someone stop scrolling and read. Type in a corresponding description. Once you get their attention with a headline, follow it up and tell them what you want them to do. The destination URL is where you want someone to go after reading your ad. This usually points to your own website. On the right is the preview pane, where you get to see what your ad will look like. Click on the little circles below to see how your ad appears in other forms. Once you are happy with your ad, click on Create. If you want to create more ads, just click on Create New Ad here in the upper right corner. That second ad will appear beneath this first ad. You can also make changes to existing ads by clicking on the 3 dots here, as well as duplicate an ad, in case you want to make a similar ad with only few differences. On the right are the forecasted results. This is LinkedIn's best guess on how your ad will perform. From experience, this is about 90% accurate, so you can use this as a guide on what things to change in your ad for better results. When you're ready, click on Launch Campaign to publish your ad. And that is how you make a LinkedIn ad for your business. Again, thank you for watching, and I wish you success in advertising on LinkedIn.